Hi, so I'm gonna do a very quick rapid fire things you should buy from Nika sale and things you should probably skip. Number one is this Charlotte Tilbury Matte Beauty Wand Blush. This will take forever to blend. This will leave like patchy spots all over. And this is, I think, nearly 4,000 rupees. I think you should skip, but you can try this. This is the Tipsy Beauty Glow Wand. Look at the glow. This is at around 700 rupees right now. Try this out. Next up that you can skip is this Medicube wrapping mask. This is like literally a tin clear foil over your face. This does absolutely nothing. Like after you apply this, first of all, it's very uncomfortable throughout the night. कुछ तो तुम्हारे फेस पे है, तुम सो नहीं पा रहे हो ठीक से, फिर तुम उठते हो तो this better give you some glow. This will do like literally nothing, and this is around 2,000 bucks. One thing you should try from the sale is, of course, the very viral L'Oreal Infallible Skin Tint. This skin tint is worth every hype that it receives. It will give you the most skin like finish ever, and I think worth every penny. Next thing that you can probably skip, like I love the Nexus Pro Men range, love it, but if you had to skip one of them, I think the shampoo, it's very like okay, it's not bad, it's just not the most you have to run out and buy this. No, it's very like okay, this works, but it's around 1,300 rupees. I don't think you need to go out of your way to buy this. But run, don't walk, run to buy this. This will fix your. The next thing that you can skip is the very viral. Everybody loves it. And don't get me wrong, it's not a bad product. It's just not mind blowing. It's the Dhalba setting spray. I mean, it will give you the glow. Like, it gives you the glow. But this is nearly 1,000 rupees. Buy any other glowing spray. Like it is not mind blowing to the point that you have to run out and buy it. It's good, but it's just like any other moisturizing setting spray kind of situation. Something that has actual impact and effect and that will make your makeup last kind of setting spray is the Tear setting spray. Like the packaging is rubbed off. It's that good. This will lock in your makeup. Your makeup is not going anywhere. And if you do shows, shoots, I do a lot of shows, shoots. Like I have to keep my makeup on for 12 hours plus. This setting spray works. And you should definitely buy this on sale. Another thing you can skip the Hyphen blue sunscreen. The green sunscreen is good. It's nice. The blue one, once you apply it on your skin, no matter what you do, it pills off. Like छोटे छोटे बॉल में निकलने लग जाता है. तो फिर even if it's on sale or if the actual price is not bad, but if it's spilling over your makeup, I don't think then this is worth it. One thing that you can invest in as an eyeshadow topper जो बिल्कुल worth your money है and it's a one time investment, and don't buy the dupe. This is the dupe. This is the ColourPop shimmer eyeshadow in the shade Ritz. Everybody says this is the dupe and it is similar, but this dries out in like 10-15 days. This will dry out on you. पूरा प्रोडक्ट ड्राई हो चुका है, अब इसमें से कुछ एकदम चौकी हो जाता है. जस्ट इफ यू आर दैट काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन जिसको शोज है, शूट्स है, शादियां है, यू हैव थिंग्स टू अटेंड एंड यू नीड दैट ग्लिटर टॉपर थिंग, buy the original Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow. This is the best thing. This will give you that eyeshadow topper glow of the gods. This is that good. Buy this. And the last thing, final thing, which is completely, utterly worth your money if you have completely fried your hair, damaged your hair, तुम्हारे बाल का खेल खत्म हो चुका है, and if you want to bring back the health and life of your hair, believe me, this is the one thing you have to invest in. ये investment है. But if you get it on sale, run and buy this. It's the K18. Use this consistently, religiously, and believe me, you will get the results. So that's it for my Nika sale recommendations, what to buy versus what to skip. I hope this has helped you guys. and let me know your recommendations for this Nykaa sale. Okay, see you next time. Bye.